Here we are going to discuss about the types of adverse drug reaction. What is adverse drug reaction? Adverse drug reactions are intended and harmful responses to the medication at normal doses. They are significantly impact the patient health, leading to increased morbidity and healthcare cost. Understanding adverse drug reaction is essential for medication use and effective clinical management. Definition of adverse drug reaction. An adverse drug reaction is the noxious, unintended response to the drug administration at appropriate doses. Adverse drug reactions are distinguished from side effects, which are usually predictable and tolerated. They range from mild discomfort to severe life threatening conditions. Types of adverse drug reaction. The common causes of adverse drug reactions are polypharmacy, especially in elderly patients, increases the risk of drug interactions leading to adverse drug reactions. Genetic factors can predispose individual to specific adverse drug reaction. Inappropriate prescribing and lack of monitoring are significant contributors to ADR in occurrence. Adverse event. Any untoward medical occurrence that may be present during the treatment with the pharmaceutical product but which does not necessarily have the causal relationship with this treatment. Adverse drug reaction. Any noxious change which is suspected due to a drug occurs at the doses normally used in man, require the treatment or decreases in the dose or indicate the caution in future use in the same drug. Therefore, the adverse drug reaction is an adverse event with a causal link to the drug. Uh, Classification of adverse drug reaction. Classification of adverse drug reaction depending on the onset of action, which is acute, which is less than 60 minutes, subacute, which is in between 1 to 24 hours, and latent, which is more than 2 days. Types of reactions, which is type A augmented, type B bizarre, type C chemical, type D delayed, type E end of the treatment, type F familiar, type G genotoxicity, and type H hypersensitivity, and U is unclassified. It is also depend on the severity like minor, moderate, severe and lethal adverse drug reactions. The others are side effect, secondary effects, toxic effects, intolerance, endocrinology, drug allergy, photosensitivity, drug dependence, drug withdrawal reactions, teratogenicity, mutagenicity, carcinogenicity, drug induced disease reactions. The classification of adverse drug reaction on its type is A. Augmented, type B. Bizarre, type C. Chemical, type D. Delayed, type E. End of treatment, type F. Familiar, type G. Genotoxicity, type H. Hypersensitivity, and type U is unclassified. Now, firstly, we will discuss about the type A augmented reactions. The reactions which can be predicted from the known pharmacology of the drug, which is dose dependent and can be elevated by the reduction. Example anticoagulants like bleedings, beta blockers like bradycardia. Second is type B reaction, bizarre reactions. Cannot be predicted from the pharmacology of the drug. It is not dose dependent. The host dependent factor is important in the is example penicillin, which is anaphylaxis. Type C chemical. Biological characteristics can be predicted from the chemical structure of the drug metabolites. Example paracetamol is hepatotoxicity. Type D delayed occur after many years of the treatment, can be due to accumulations. Example chemotherapy, secondary tumors, phenytoin during the pregnancy like teratogenic effect. Type E is end of the treatment. Occurs on the withdrawal, especially when the drug is stopped abruptly. Example phenytoin withdrawal leads to the seizures. Next is classification of adverse drug reaction depend on its severity. Minor adverse drug reaction. No therapy, antidote or prolongation or hospitalization is required. Second is moderate adverse drug reaction. Requires change in therapy, specific treatment or prolonged hospitals stays by at least 1 day. Severe adverse drug reactions like potentially life threatening, causes permanent damage or requires intensive medical treatment. Lethal is directly or indirectly contribute to death of the patient.